Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer. There are two vegetable drawers used in the fresh food compartment of this refrigerator. This one is located on the right side. It's used for storage of veggies and fruits. The most common reason to replace the vegetable drawer is if it cracks and no longer rolls in and out. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. To get the vegetable drawer out, we need to pull it out as long as it goes, then lift it up, and now we can remove it completely. This is the old vegetable drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the vegetable drawer, we need to put this end down, and we're going to slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.